Good morning to all my dear students. So, when you wake up in the morning, it's always a good idea to just lie in bed quietly with your eyes closed and do a short little meditation which allows you to set your right intentions for your day. So, we'll do this meditation with me. If you do this, you will create the situations, the circumstances, and the events that will organize themselves around those intentions which you have set for yourself. So just lie in your bed and close your eyes and observe your breath. And then bring your awareness, all your attention into your heart, right in the center of your body, inside your heart. And keep your eyes closed. And now, mentally, ask yourself the first question: what kind of a day do I want to have today? Just ask yourself. Once again, ask yourself a few times, genuinely, this question. Keeping your eyes closed, allowing any sensations, images, feelings, or thoughts to come to you spontaneously as you ask this question to yourself. What kind of a day do I want to have today? Mentally, with your awareness in your heart, once again, what kind of a day do I want to have today? And once again, allowing any sensations or images or feelings or thoughts to come to you naturally, spontaneously, as they will come, without manipulating those thoughts. And now, let's set our intentions for the day together. We will do it together. I will also do it with you. So put your awareness in your entire body. Put your awareness in your whole body now. And as I speak these sentences, I want you to repeat them to yourself mentally. At the same time, I also want you to feel your body as you repeat these sentences to yourself. Keeping your eyes closed, keeping your entire body relaxed, just say to yourself, joyful, energetic body. Joyful, energetic body. Say it a few times mentally, feeling your entire body. Touch your body. Joyful, energetic body. Joyful, energetic body. Joyful, energetic body. Repeat this to yourself. And now, the next sentence: loving, compassionate heart. Loving, compassionate heart. Repeat this to yourself with your eyes closed, believing in it. Loving, compassionate heart. And now just keep repeating this sentence inside your mind. And now, the third intention: reflective, alert mind. Reflective, alert mind. Keep repeating this intention to yourself, students. Reflective, alert mind. And now let's come to your fourth intention for the day: lightness of being. Lightness of being. Lightness of being. Repeat this fourth intention to yourself, keeping your eyes closed. And now return all your awareness to your breathing, just for a little bit, from your heart to your entire body, and now back to your breath. Just becoming more and more aware of your breath here. Observe the breath as it goes in and as it goes out. Just keep observing your breath without manipulating it, just bringing all your awareness back to your natural breathing. And now you can open your eyes if you want. You can yawn and you can stretch your body a little bit in your bed. Feel free to move about, move your body here and there, twist and turn if you feel like it. Just take a few more seconds. Just take a few more seconds here for yourself. And then, whenever you feel like it, whenever you're ready, you can just spring out of bed. Have a wonderful day. I'm sending you loads of light, loads of peace, and loads of love during this lockdown. Whenever you feel like it now, and I'm sure you must be feeling much more energetic, much more refreshed, and much more intentional, and much more determined to fulfill the intentions that you have set for yourself for this day. I'm sure all of you are going to have a great day ahead and all the best. Love you all.